Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's Shannonheartsx here, and today I'm going to show you what I pack in my vacation bag. So I'm going to include essentials, tips and tricks, and also some items that I might bring on my trip with me. So stay tuned. So when going on vacation, you know that when you go to like the hotels, they give you mini versions of stuff like this, for example. So what I usually do is I bring my own. So I bring lotion. This is a Jergens original scent lotion. I bring lotion because I'm gonna run out, definitely, especially for the amount of days that I stay. And my skin is sensitive, so it's best if I bring my own stuff. Then I'm gonna bring shower gel. This one is the Tate shower gel, Sweet Temptations, and I have no idea what fragrance this is. Okay, so I guess Sweet Temptation is a scent. So this one. Then I'm going to also bring my Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunscreen because I live in Jamaica, so it's super hot and the sun is always out. So it's important to protect my skin. Then to help my skin to stay super soft and look really nice in the sun when I go to like the pool and stuff, I'm going to bring my Johnson & Johnson Aloe and Vitamin E Oil Gel. And then I store it in a bag because it makes it easier to it makes it harder for it to spill and mess up my clothes. Then I also pack like my masks to match my different outfits, hand sanitizer, and beep spray. So here I just have like the hand sanitizer size that I would bring. And then these are some of my masks that I would carry. This one's from VIDDIES, and then this one's from my store. And then, of course, your toothbrush. You can't leave home without your toothbrush. That's nasty. So next, I'm going to show you guys my filming equipment. So for starters, I'm going to bring my portable mini tripod so I can like vlog and stuff while I'm on vacay. And then my ring light, but I'm currently using it. So yeah, but I'll bring my ring light as well. And then just in case my phone dies or whatever, I have my actual camera. It's pretty big though, so I don't really use it that much because it's huge and it's heavy, but it is a Canon. Hold on you guys, let's see. It's a Canon EOS Rebel T6i, and then it comes in its own little carrying pouch. Okay guys, so to add to my essentials when going on vacation, I tend to feel sick on vacays. I don't know why, but I always get sick. So some things that are super important to me are my essence of peppermint oil. It helps to stop my nausea. And then I have bad allergies, so I usually walk with my DPH elixir. Painkillers because I do get headaches. And then Q-tips to like clean my nose rings. So now I'm going to show you guys some outfit ideas that I had in mind for my vacation. I won't be trying them on. I'm going to show you guys, and then you guys can give me like some ideas of what you think would look cute for dinner and what outfits you like, which ones you don't, in the comments. So let's see what I have. Okay guys, so ignore my bed. It's a little untidy, but here's outfit number one. This is what I was planning to wear to the resort. So I have a two-piece set. Oh, also you guys, all my clothes that are featured right now are from Shein, and I had put them in my birthday haul video. So if you haven't watched that, pause this video and go watch that now. All right, so here we go. First outfit, it's a two-piece midi skirt set, and I paired these shoes from Just Fab and these glasses from Shein and this bag from my store, Shop Shannon's Closet JA. This outfit is super cute, and you know, it's comfortable, it's dressy enough, and it's convenient because I don't really want to wear heels on my way there. Then I have this dress. I have no idea what to pair it with right now, but it gives me like a Rihanna feel, and I think it's perfect for dinner. It's like a slip dress, and it goes to like the floor with a high slit, so I think that's super cute. And then this headband from my store as well, so I thought this would be like a cute little addition to the look. Not sure how I'm gonna pair it yet though, but you know. Then I have this two-piece set. This is also from Shein, and then my shoes are from Adidas. I think this look is going to be super cute with everything being the same color. Alright, so this is outfit number 3 and also dinner look number 2. So help me decide which 2 outfits to take, you guys. So then these shoes are from Just Fab as well. And they have like a great like hotel resort feel just because of the print. You know, it screams I'm on vacation. And then I have this green skirt. I think this is super cute to like go out in or wear to dinner. And then, you know, this top is badass. I cannot wait to wear this. And then this purse is from Shein. And then I have this other dinner look. So this is a 2-piece set as well, except these are shorts. And I was going to pair them with these shoes from Just Fab with the snake print. All right, now for water activities, I don't really swim, but I do like to look cute. So by the poolside or at the beach. So I have these bikinis. These are both from Shein. I think they're in a size extra large or 1X. I don't like how the crotch fits because it's like super long. I don't know whose crotch is this long, but it's very long. There's a piece of like lint. Ooh. I kind of wish the crotch was like a little bit shorter, like maybe that much. But the top fits perfect. And then I have these shades. The pink one is from Shein, and then these 2 are from my store. And then all headbands featured here are from my store as well. And then I don't know which outfit I want to wear these gold bangles with. I don't like accessorizing too much, so I gotta work on that. But here's this. I think this is a complete look. I need to figure out what shoes I'm gonna wear. I might wear my snake print espadrilles or maybe some other flats. I wanted to go with a cowboy look, so I gotta get a cowboy hat to do that. And then these shorts are from Fashion Nova. And they have like this type of detailing at the bottom. And so that is what I have planned so far for vacation. Mind you guys, it's only like 3 days. So yes, I'm going to be overpacked, and that's okay. And I have some other outfit options here. So this is what I have in mind. I hope you guys like this video. Let me know your thoughts. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what are some of your essentials and what you like to bring for your vacation. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.